Rancher from outside of Nogales is making national headlines, accused of killing an undocumented immigrant on his land in the Kino Springs area. This is George Allen Kelly. He had a preliminary hearing this morning in Santa Cruz County Justice Court over there. He is facing a first-degree murder charge for the deadly shooting of Gabrielle Quinn Butamea, who was found dead on Kelly's ranch back in January 30th. We're learning that the victim lived just south of the border in Nogales, Mexico. U.S. federal court records show that he had been convicted of illegal entry and deported back to Mexico several times before this. Our Corus Nylander was live in the courtroom today, and he has the latest from Nogales.
George Allen Kelly's attorney's focus today was to try and get his $1 million cash bond reduced. They had a minor victory on that here today. Kelly's attorney, Brenna Larkin, told the judge that Kelly is not a flight risk and doesn't have a criminal past. She said she got the opinion of several bail bond companies who told her the $1 million cash bond is highly unusual, even for a first-degree murder case. She could find no past cases locally with such a high bond for a defendant with no criminal background, but the judge maintained the $1 million bond, but made it a surety bond instead of a cash-only bond. Kelly has yet to post it. The defense also argued that Kelly was charged with murder before much of the important forensic work was done.
There's a huge divergence in this case from how an investigation and prosecution should happen and how it did happen in this case.
The state has revealed few details about why it feels the charges are warranted. Today, though, the prosecutor said Kelly shot the victim in the back and that they were unarmed. Kelly's chain of events, detailed in previous court filings, tells a much different story of a group of suspected drug smugglers armed on his property with AK-47s. He admits firing warning shots but denies shooting anyone. The defense requested a continuance for 30 to 60 days so they can get their own forensic experts before the next hearing. The judge denied that, scheduling the next court appearance here on Friday in the morning. We're going to be there and we'll continue to update you as this case moves forward. Reporting from Nogales, Corus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.